If you've spent any time on your phone lately, chances are you've come across Hamster Kombat, the adorable game where you collect and upgrade hamster warriors to earn coins. But have you ever wondered if there's more to this seemingly simple game than meets the eye? I'm here to tell you that there might be. Today we're going to dive into the world of artificial intelligence, AI, and explore how it might be working behind the scenes in Hamster Kombat. Alright, let's dive a little deeper into the game we all love. While Hamster Kombat might seem like a simple game on the surface: tap, earn coins, upgrade your hamsters, there might be some hidden magic at play. And that magic could be called AI, or artificial intelligence. Now before you start picturing hamsters plugged into the Matrix, let's break this down. Remember those times when the game seemed to read your mind? Like you were just thinking about needing more coins and suddenly, a bonus pops up? Or maybe you were struggling to level up, and the game suddenly got a little easier for a bit? Those aren't coincidences, my friend. It could be the game's AI algorithms hard at work, tweaking things behind the scenes to keep you engaged and entertained. Okay, hamster fans, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, how Hamster Kombat might be using your data. Now I know what you're thinking, it's just a cute little game about hamsters, right? What kind of data could it possibly be collecting? Well, buckle up because it might be more than you think. Every time you tap on the screen, every time you upgrade a hamster, every minute you spend playing, that's all data that the game is likely gathering. But here's the kicker. Since Hamster Kombat is linked to Telegram, it might also have access to your Telegram data. That means your username, profile picture, and even potentially your chat history could be part of the information the game is collecting. Now why is this a big deal? Well, it's like having a tiny hamster detective following you around, both in the game and on Telegram, taking notes on everything you do. This information is a treasure trove for the game's AI algorithms. These clever little programs can analyze all that data, looking for patterns and insights. They might figure out how often you play, what kind of upgrades you like, and even what kinds of things you talk about on Telegram. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room: money. We all know Hamster Kombat is free to play, but the promise of earning real-world value through cryptocurrency is a big part of its appeal. So, how does a seemingly simple clicker game potentially turn those virtual coins into cold hard cash? Well, it's all about airdrops and a blockchain called TON. Hamster Kombat has been generating buzz not just for its addictive gameplay but also for its promise of future airdrops. An airdrop in the crypto world is essentially a free distribution of tokens to users who meet specific criteria. In this case, Hamster Kombat players who accumulate enough in-game coins could be eligible to receive real cryptocurrency tokens. These tokens are where the real money potential comes in. Hamster Kombat has announced its intention to launch its own token on the TON blockchain. TON, or the Open Network, is a fast and scalable blockchain platform that supports various decentralized applications and cryptocurrencies. Once the Hamster Kombat token is live on TON, players who receive tokens in the airdrop can potentially trade them on cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance. This means that your in-game progress and dedication could translate into actual financial gains. Now, before you start dreaming of hamster-funded yachts, it's important to remember that the value of cryptocurrency can be volatile. The price of the Hamster Kombat token could go up, but it could also go down. It's essential to do your own research and understand the risks before investing any time or money into the game. But the potential for real-world rewards adds a whole new layer of excitement to Hamster Kombat. Now that we've discussed the potential for players to earn real money through Hamster Kombat's airdrops and TON connection, let's turn our attention to how the game itself fills its coffers. While in-app purchases are a common way for mobile games to make money, Hamster Kombat seems to have a few more tricks up its sleeve. First and foremost, Hamster Kombat isn't just a game, it's a brand with a massive following. With a staggering 18 million subscribers on their YouTube channel, they've cultivated a community of dedicated fans who are eager to consume content related to the game. This massive audience translates to a significant potential for advertising revenue. Each video view, each click on an ad, contributes to the game's income. But it's not just about the ads. Those YouTube videos serve a dual purpose. They're not only a revenue stream, but also a clever marketing tool. By showcasing updates, new features, and exciting gameplay, these videos keep players engaged and invested in the Hamster Kombat universe. This in turn can lead to increased player retention and even more in-app purchases. Speaking of in-app purchases, Hamster Kombat has a clever system in place. Now that we've explored how Hamster Kombat generates revenue, let's revisit the question of AI's involvement. Could artificial intelligence be the secret ingredient in the game's money-making recipe? While it's difficult to say definitively without access to the game's inner workings, there are some intriguing clues that suggest AI might be playing a role. First, consider the targeted advertising we mentioned in the previous chapter. While it's common for mobile games to show ads, Hamster Kombat's ads seem particularly relevant to players' interests. This could be the result of AI algorithms analyzing player data, such as in-game behavior and purchase history, to determine which ads are most likely to resonate with each individual. This kind of personalized advertising can be incredibly effective in driving clicks and conversions, ultimately boosting Hamster Kombat's revenue. Next, let's look at the in-app purchases. Hamster Kombat offers a variety of upgrades and boosts that can be purchased with real money. But have you ever noticed how these offers seem to appear at just the right moment? For example, you might be struggling to defeat a particularly tough level and suddenly, a special offer for a powerful upgrade pops up. This could be the work of AI, analyzing your gameplay patterns and predicting when you're most likely to make a purchase. Furthermore, the structure of the game itself could be influenced by AI. The addictive gameplay loop, the frequent rewards, and the escalating difficulty levels could all be carefully calibrated by AI algorithms to maximize player engagement and spending. By understanding what motivates players and what keeps them coming back for more, the game can subtly nudge them towards making purchases. Finally, let's consider the potential for AI to influence player behavior. Could the game be using AI to create a sense of urgency or FOMO, fear of missing out, that drives players to spend money? For example, limited time offers or special events that create a sense of scarcity could be designed to trigger impulsive purchases. While we can't say for sure whether or not Hamster Kombat is using AI for these purposes, the evidence suggests that it's a real possibility. As we've journeyed through the world of Hamster Kombat, we've uncovered a complex relationship between this seemingly simple game and the sophisticated technology of artificial intelligence. From personalized gameplay and targeted advertising, to potential airdrops and the allure of real-world value through AI appears to be woven into the fabric of the game's design and monetization strategies. While the exact extent of AI's influence remains shrouded in some mystery, the evidence we've gathered suggests it's playing a significant role. Whether it's enhancing the player experience, optimizing the game's profitability, or even subtly nudging our behavior, AI is undeniably a powerful force within Hamster Kombat. But is this a cause for concern? Should we be wary of this hidden hand guiding our gameplay? The answer, as with many things, isn't black and white. On the one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize mobile gaming. It can create more personalized, engaging, and rewarding experiences for players. It can also help developers create sustainable business models that allow them to continue creating the games we love. On the other hand, the use of AI in gaming raises some ethical concerns. There's the potential for manipulation, addiction, and even exploitation. As players, we need to be aware of these risks and make informed decisions about how we interact with games that utilize AI. So, what's the final verdict on AI in Hamster Kombat? Is it a friend or foe in disguise? Ultimately, it's up to you to decide. By understanding how AI is being used in the game, you can make conscious choices about your participation and ensure that your gaming experience is enjoyable and safe. Whether you see AI as a helpful tool or a potential threat, there's no denying that it's changing the landscape of mobile gaming. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and impactful applications of AI in the future. It's an exciting time to be a gamer, but it's also a time for critical thinking and awareness. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of AI in gaming, let's remember to play responsibly, have fun, and always be mindful of the forces at play behind the scenes.